It's pretty much the home screen of the application, and you can see a lot of AI chat features, a lot of AI chat which you can speak with. Some of them specialize in different stuffs. So as I scroll down, you can see here are different chatbot which you can speak with your AI translator, your pitch PBT, and a lot of different other ones which you can speak with. As you can see, you're turning your words into stunning images. You have the imagery, the chatbot, and if I'm selecting one of them, it will include them short ads. Once you have fixed off the ads, you're pretty much good. So here, just enter what you want to generate, and it will start generating. As you can see here, we'll just enter a cat. For example, this one here, we'll give it a try. We'll show a little plain type of animations, but once it's finished, you'll be seeing the results of what you pretty much asked the AI to generate. As you can see here, this is pretty much the results, and I can go ahead and tap on it. You can set it as wallpaper, can download it and share it with friends and families. And if I don't like it, I want to report, you can do this as well. That's pretty much it for the part. I would say AI generator feature for this. Here you have different other sections which you can use as well. You have the quick search option, which mainly for researches. The real-time search option here, you have the graphic illusion option here. You have a lot of options based on what you want to do. You have the deck manager here. A lot of different chatbots which you can speak with. All of the users look for what you want. Do keep in mind, it's going to cost you, once you're speaking with any one of these chatbots, going to cost you some stars. So if you look at the top here, starting with 20 stars, and once I've generated the image, it took about 4 stars. So do keep in mind when using these AI applications. As you can see here, it does tell you how the points work or stars work as it relates to you using your application. So if you're speaking with on any one of the chatbots, it will take 1 point per message, any one of these chatbots. And here you have other points information as relates to searching, creating images, and advanced images. AI will take 6 points, as you can see here. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And you'll be able to play games to get free points as well. So top on the game option can be the lucky wheel spin, be able to win points as well. As things here have other games which you can play as it relates to these as well. So you can get free prizes in these options. So that's really pretty much it for that here. And you have the explore option here where you can go ahead and search for whichever type of chatbot you want. At the chatbot section at the top here, the AI assistants here. And it will pretty much categorize everything for you as it relates to what you want. And task manager, you may want one task manager chatbot, be able to find it here as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If you anything at all, step in the comment section. I'll see if we can help.